Welcome to Analog Devices Unboxing Video Series that will focus on CN0535 circuit from the lab. The CN0535 is a fully tested complete design that is a high-performance alias-free measurement platform for flexible data acquisition systems. This video will give an overview of the background of the design, walk through the unboxing, and will go through the hardware setup as well as the software configuration. For systems requiring a platform measurement solution that is compatible with a variety of sensors, examples include vibration, temperature, pressure, then the CN0535 is an excellent choice due to its high level of flexibility that not only enables the input signal but also the conversion needs. This is the simplified block diagram of the CN0535. The components were carefully selected to cater to a wide range of applications, from CBM to audio, as well as any DC to medium bandwidth AC signal. The CN0535 uses the LTC6373 programmable gain instrumentation amplifier, which has a low input bias current enabling direct sensor connection as well as easing the sensor drive requirements. LTC6373 can attenuate or amplify the input signal, providing a configurable full-scale input voltage range from plus-minus 0.197 volts to plus-minus 12.6 volts. Following the LTC6373, there is a fourth-order active anti-alias filter. This is used with the ADA4945 to significantly attenuate alias signals and drive the Sigma-Delta ADC. The ADC for this circuit is the AD7768-1 Precision 24-bit Sigma-Delta ADC. With power scaling and its configurable digital filter options, it delivers the key performances of the signal chain. CN0535 has available hardware and software that can be used to quickly evaluate the reference design. Here are the items needed for your setup. You will need a signal source or your sensor as the input signal, the CN0535 evaluation board, and the SDP-H1 as your capture board. You will also need to install the AD7768-1 evaluation software on your Windows PC. You can find the AD7768-1 evaluation software by going to the CN0535 page on analog.com. Click on User Guide block as shown. Go to the Hardware Setup section and click on the AD7768-1 evaluation software. Connect CN0535 evaluation board to the SDP-H1 using the FMC connector interface. Connect the sensor or signal source to the CN0535 input connectors J3 and J4. The P7 screw terminal block can also be used. Connect the 12-volt DC supply to the SDP-H1 board and connect the micro USB cable to the Windows PC. The 12-volt supply and USB cable are both provided with the SDP-H1 kit. configure the system gain setting switches on the CN0535 board to cater to a plus-minus 12.6 volt input range before turning on the signal source. Launch the AD7768-1 evaluation software from the Start menu of the host PC. On the software's main window, you can easily configure the ADC for its M-clock setup, input buffer and protection settings, as well as its digital filters. By default, the brick wall filter is used, which sets the input signal bandwidth to 108 kHz. Let's take a sample of the signal. The software GUI allows you to take measurements in time and frequency domain. SNR, SINAD, THD and other AC performance measurements can also be performed through the GUI. The Register tab allows access to the registers of the ADC. This can be used to configure the digital filters of the ADC and program the calibration coefficients. Refer to the register map on the datasheet for manual configuration of the ADC. To access additional technical information, including hardware design integration files, software and user documentation, please visit Circuits from the Lab on analog.com or visit the CN0535 page on analog.com.